Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Java, and I hope you understand and enjoy that all the things which we have done through Java. Like in the previous video, I've telling you how to set up the development environment of Java, what accelerator we should be using, and what are the things important in Java. I've telling you that all stuff. But in this video, I will be telling you that when we are just working with our text editor, so what is the first code of Java and how you can run your Java code. So I will be telling you all the things which you needed to learn about Java. But there are two ways to work with Java. First, you can design your mobile app if you want to design, and you can also just write the code to run Java. But we'll be first of all starting from designing. I will be telling you how to design anything in Java. Then we'll be moving on to coding because we are a beginner level. So we have to first of all start from designing in Java, and then we'll be moving on to coding in Java because like I'm telling you, Java helps to build mobile apps and all the stuff. So in creating mobile apps, we have to first of all learn about designing. So I will be telling you in this video like how to work with folders in Java and what are the things important in Java. So if you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing, get notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that because that will also giving you help moving forward. Remember to check my all the previous Java videos which I have uploaded. In the first video I've telling you the introduction, and I've just given you the detail how Java you can use and where Java is used and what is Java, how we can use it, and what is the difference between Java and JavaScript. I've telling you all the things, and in the previous video I've telling you the setting of development environment, and I've also covered a React 18 series. If you want to learn React 18 from start to end, you can check that out because I've uploaded 60 plus video in that tutorial, and I hope that will also giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that how to work with folders in Java and what are the things important in Java and how you can run the first code in Java from start to end. So just like I've telling you, we'll be working with Java, and today I will be telling you about the folders in Java, like how you can use folders and what are the work of these folders which we are working with Java. And when we are working with Java, then moving forward, we'll be also just working on the project when we are using Java. So now we'll be starting with our videos, and we'll be seeing that how you can create the first Java file and how things will be moving on when we are working with Java. So we were using NetBeans text editor as our internal and external project. So we will be using this NetBeans text editor when we are working with Java. You can use various text editor like VS Code, and then you can also use like Android Studio, which I've told you in the previous video of when we were just setting up the development environment. In that video I've telling you. So these are the things. Here you can create your own new project and you can just give it the first of all, here when you will be downloading this NetBeans, so it will be asking you to create your new project. It will be asking that on which folder you have to create your project. Like it is Java category folder, Java FX category folder, Maven, NetBeans module sample. So you have to select Java because we are working with Java. So we will be creating a Java folder. When you are selecting this, just you have to press next. After pressing next, it will be asking you what should be your project name. So I will be writing here my project name should be project 1. Then it will be asking you which location should be of your project. It will be randomly giving you the location of local disk C, but if you want to save your folder in any other location, you can also do that by pressing browse. You can just save it like I want to save it on local disk E. So I will be pressing it and I'll be pressing open. After pressing open, it will be taking your folder to local disk E, and then when you will be creating your folder, so it will be installing all the packages and installing your folder and downloading all the modules in your folder in local disk E. So I will be now pressing finish here. After pressing finish, it will be getting your folder here. You can see now my folder is here, and now from here you can start the codes. Here first of all I want to tell you about how you can design. So for designing, you have to first of all open the file which is called design file. So for opening the design file, you have to first of all move to this tag. After moving to your main file, like this is my main file which is called project1.java. This is my Java first file. So for creating a design file here, you have to first of all move to your project. After moving to project, move to new, press JFrame form. After pressing this JFrame form, here it will be asking you what should be your frame name, means what should be your designing file name. So I will be giving it the name as project, and I will be just saving it in this folder. You can see now we are getting one file. You can create its source code here, and you can also just work it with this file. This is the random file which we have created, so you don't have to take care about this file. We have created the new file.
So here in this you can just design this. So there are many of the various things which you can do using Java. You can do code also, and you can design your template. Means first of all we have to do designing in Java, and when you are done with your designing, so you can just move on to source, and you can just write here codes and link your files with another files, and then you can make your own program and apps. Like this we build apps and programs which we want to build using Java. So like if you want to take this panel, you can make this panel like this. And now today I will be telling you how you can just create a login form using Java. So this is the beginning class which I am telling you about Java, and this is not the coding class. I am telling you about the designing, how you can do design in Java. So for working with designing in Java, first of all, you have to now just move to this palette. In this palette, you will be getting all the things which you needed to work with your designing. So here, first of all, we have to get the text. So I will be now taking this text area. You can write your text in the text area, or you can simply write your text randomly here. So here for doing this, you have to move to palette again, and if you want to take the random text, so here you can take this text pane. After creating this text pane, you can just write anything in this text pane you want to write. You can directly move here, and then you can just make many of the panels and things which you want to create. You can also write the things, your project things in the text area tab if you want to write, or directly you can take the panel. After taking the panel, here I will be making this panel bigger. So I will be now selecting this, Control Z. Now we are getting this back. Now I will be making this panel here, then make this panel bigger. So I will be now moving here, and then I will be now making this panel like this bigger. After creating this panel, you can now just write things in this panel here. Like if you want to write any text or anything, you can just use this panel to write in that. Then like this, you can create the folder and text area. So you can just create this text pane here in which you have to write the text. So here you can create that all things from here. Like if you want to create the text area, so you can just take this text area, and this text area you can write anything here. So like this, you just write all the things in Java. So this was the designing stuff which I want to tell you about Java. So you can just move to Platelet, and here you will be getting more other things. Like if you want to get this label here, in this label you can write the different things. Like if I write here login form, so you can see now it is been my heading. Now you can just make it bigger or anything like that you can do. So for doing this, you have to press edit text, or you can move to directly palette. And then after moving here, you have to now just do one thing. Like here I will be deleting this. Then you can directly select this, and after selecting you can just move on to design, or you can say just you can take to this by moving to Windows, and you can just set this all stuff there as well. But if you want to just do some changing in that, like if you want to set to default size, or if you want to do some changes in its font size, so you can also do this. So for doing the changes in the font size and all that stuff, you can use the various different things which you can just work with. You can move to properties. After moving to properties, you can make your size, you can make your text bigger if you want to make like this. You can change the font family as well from here. Like if I want to make this area rounded, empty, bold, or any other, you can also take it from here. You can make it bold as well. Okay, then you can see now this font family has been changed, and it is just looking good like this. You can also create the input box if you want to create input box. So you can select the text field here, and in this text field you can write anything. So in this text field I will be writing here, like here I will be now writing design. So I will be moving to design here, and now for writing anything in the text field, here you have to press right click, then write here edit text, in which I will be writing name. So in the login form we first of all get name. Then I will be simply copying this login form from here, this input box, and you can see this input box has been pasted it here as well. And after pasting this, you can just now write in this input box password. So here I will be writing password, and now you can see we have just written the password here as well. Now select this both things and do it in center. So you can see now like this, you can just create a simple login form. You can also change the background color if you want to change here, and you can also just change the text color from here. Like you can move to properties, and from here you can change the text color to any of one of them. So here like I've done this color, you can see the text color has been changed from here. So like this you can just work with Java. designing. So just in this video I've telling you about Java designing, and I've telling you how you can create files in Java. So this was the video about how we can just create files in Java, and I hope you understand this video. So if you have understand, enjoy this video. So remember to hit a like if in this video if you have understand how to do designing with Java, and also subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And remember to share these videos so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope that will be giving to help moving forward. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using Java and many other languages. So for today, good bye.